Hi, I made this advent calendar for Morris from some fat quarters I got in a Sew Hayley Jane box a couple of years ago. I basically fill them with treats like Lick-e-Lix and Dreamies and antibiotics and that sort of thing. I use these Lick-e-Lix to disguise his antibiotics so that it's easy to get him to take his medicine. I crush the tablets with this little device that I got from the pharmacy in Sweden. I just mix that up with the Lick-e-Lix and he quite happily eats it all.
Here's the main course.
Yeah, that's main course. He is purring whilst eating. Did you hear it?
Yeah.
What do you think about lockdown? How do you feel about lockdown, Morris? It sucks.